So today I find myself at the Hilton Heathrow, or London Heathrow Hilton Terminal 5. So this is room 497. It's on the executive level and it's an upgraded room. So first thing is it's one of the rooms where you put the key card in to turn your lights on. So I'll turn on as many lights as I can. So walk in, there's a full-length closet mirror, and in the closet there's a robe, looks like an extra robe, iron, and on the other side, safe, a scale, slippers, hair dryer, and then an ironing board here in the side, and an extra pillow. I'm gonna come back and go to the bathroom. So it has some interesting lighting underneath the sink. So big bathtub, big soaking tub, and then a shower stall, and a heated towel rack, which is nice. Toilet, then also a mirror with magnification and a light. I love these. So that's the bathroom. And we go out to the main room, and tea service right here, TV in the wall. It is a king-size bed. Looks like these rooms have been upgraded a bit. So next to the bed there is an outlet. We'd have to unplug the alarm clock or something, but there is an outlet, so that's nice. And as with most European hotels, there's no top sheet. Come around to this side. The desk has a few outlets, including a US outlet. So I love when hotels have that. And then a sitting area, a little ledge area, I suppose. Looks like they gave me mineral water and still and sparkling. That's great. Then the view, we are by the airport, so it looks like there's a random person's house with a boat and a pool and some other stuff, and then the back side of the hotel, and a little bit beyond you can see the river, but it's not super visible, and just the hotel grounds. So this is room 497, king room at the London Heathrow Hilton Terminal 5. And one addition that I forgot, there is an in-room refrigerator, mini bar, with a few items, more drinks and some alcohol. But obviously it's difficult to put my own stuff in here. There looks like a couple spots, but not sure if it's gonna automatically charge me as it says it will here. So that is also included. When I came back to my room, there was a bottle of wine and some chocolate for me. And the bathtub was awesome. This is the executive lounge where they had drinks and snacks and a happy hour with sandwiches and other things in the evening. So this is a view of the cafe and the seating area and the restaurant in the lobby from the 4th floor. And if you want to shine your shoes, and step 3. I don't know if my boots got shinier, but it's kind of cool if this is here. And the bar, which is open until about midnight. I love it. Are you kidding? So this is the gym, which is actually open 24 hours with your room key. And this is the spa area, which is actually quite a nice spa. It has a soaking tub, it has steam rooms, a mineral salt room, a sauna,
and a little ice area to cool off and plunge showers. It's actually a very nice spa for this hotel. However, it does close very early.